How to hide sidebar in Slack. Slack is powerful, but the sidebar can get cluttered, and here's how to hide or minimize it. So, on desktop, click on the arrow next to channels or direct messages, and this collapses the sidebar instantly. Click again to expand when you need it back. You can also adjust the sidebar settings. So click on your profile at the bottom left, select preferences from here, and then here you can choose what appears only on read channels, stored items, or everything. This reduces clutter without fully hiding the sidebar. So for distraction-free work, use full screen mode by clicking on Ctrl-Shift-F on Windows or Command-Shift-F on Mac to hide the sidebar and focus on your workspace. And that's it. That is how to hide sidebar in Slack.